Hello guys, welcome to MT4 video or MetaTrader 4. In this video, we will walk you through the platform that you will use in order to trade. This is your platform, MetaTrader 4, or you can say MT4. There are 9 aspects that we covered. However, we are not going to explain each and everything in detail in this video. Let's start. We have 9 points that we need to cover. Point number 1, account details. When you open your MetaTrader 4, it will show you the account number, the type of a broker, the broker that you are using, and it will show you whether your account is a demonstration account or it's a live account, meaning a real account. And please check this. This is very important. This is a live account server 24. There are different servers in brokers. Brokers have different servers, I mean to say. Let's continue. Then you will have the pair. What we are seeing here, what we see here, it will tell us we have viewed Euro JPY. Then it will tell you the time frame that we are using here. This means that each and every bar that you see here, it represents 15 minutes. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, menu area. I can say this is the core of MT4. Everything that you see here comes from this area right here. And you should be familiar with this type of view right here, because most of the softwares that we use, they have this type of view. Let's move on. Then we have this area right here, which we call it a navigator window. Navigator window, how does it help us? Navigator window, when we want to log into our accounts, we can access them here. You just right click, log into account, or open demonstration account, open live account. When we want to use indicators, you will understand what we're talking about when we talk about the indicators. When we want to access our indicators, we can access our indicators from this area, or we can customize some indicators and then we put them here. Sometimes there are systems that we use, softwares that we use, robots. When we insert them into MetaTrader from our computer, they will have to appear here. We'll have to access them here. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, Market Watch. This area, this is where you will find your pairs. By pairs, I mean this right here. Euro JPY. This what appears. If you don't want to see Euro JPY, maybe you want to see Euro USD, or maybe you want to see GBP USD, you will have to find GBP USD from here and drag it in here. Let's go to number 5. This area right here is also the area of importance. Why am I saying that? Sometimes you will open, when you drag a pair to this area, it won't appear as like this. It will be black, and I will show you when we open MT4. Then you will want to customize it, or maybe try to make it in a way that you will feel comfortable using it. You don't want to do that every time when you open MT4. You have to save them, and then save them as profiles, so that when you open your MT4, you just load them. As easy as that. Let's go to number 6, the terminal window. The terminal window is the area that you want to see, you want to use. Terminal window consists of the trade. It will show you when you trade. It will show you that you are in a trade, what type of a trade you have taken, the time you have entered the trade. It will show the type of a trade, whether you buy or whether you bought or you sold. It will say buy or sell, the size that you taken, the symbol that you are trading, the price you entered your trade. If you have a stop loss, we'll discuss those things. Stop loss and take profit. It will show you the prices. The price that you exited your trade, the commission you paid, the swap rate. If you traded for more than a day, there's a price that you have to pay. and then it will show you the profit. Lastly, it will show you the profit whether you are in profit or not. If the price is positive, that means you are in profit, and if it's negative, that means you are in a loss. Let's go to number 7, network status. This area right here, it will show you when you are in or when you are not. What am I talking about? Sorry about that. If you have inserted wrong details of your account right here, this right here will show you that this is an invalid account. Like you see now the data, you can see now the data is moving right here. It means that we have inserted the correct details, I mean to say. Let's go to number 8, toolbar. This area is very important because this is what we are going to use most of the times. Guys, without wasting any time, let's go to MT4 and try to get into those areas and see how they work. See you in the next video.